A luxuriously appointed executive home with the manicured green spaces of Riverside Golf Course beyond its backyard. Welcome to 32 Roberson Drive. A magnificent presence on one of the most prestigious streets within Central West Ajax, this brick and stone home showcases a gorgeous backyard oasis, extensive stone landscaping front and back, as well as interior and exterior parking for up to 6 vehicles in total. And the front entrance of this John Boddy Grand Eagle model, which has a massive second-story arched window set above glass-paneled double doors accented with scrolled wrought iron inserts, is graced with stately two-story exterior columns. A showpiece of luxurious design, interior main-level appointments include stone and hardwood flooring, pot lighting, and decorative crown moldings throughout, with the grand, sun-filled reception area also finished with wainscoting, having an art niche with accent lighting, and the soaring 17-foot ceiling of its foyer having an impressive crystal chandelier with a medallion. Upgraded trim work finishes the entries into the kitchen area as well as the formal living and dining rooms. The living room's entrance also graced with classic pillars. This beautiful entertaining space has an elaborate ceiling medallion, light diffusing blinds on its easterly facing window, and the warmth of a gas fireplace, its elegant mantel accented with a stone facade and hearth. The living room fully open to the formal dining room. Exuding timeless elegance, this entertaining space has a French door entry from the reception area, 2 large windows, and an octagonal-shaped coffered ceiling, while the ambient lighting of its chandelier envelops the room with an aura of intimacy. Across the hall is the impressive family room. Also featuring an elaborate ceiling medallion, the grand size of this space can accommodate multiple seating areas. Backyard and golf course views can be enjoyed through an oversized window complete with light diffusing blinds, while a gas fireplace with a custom mantel spreads cozy warmth throughout the room. The expansive custom gourmet kitchen is a home chef's and entertainer's dream come true. A mix of bright modern design and traditional warmth, this phenomenal work and gathering space showcases richly hued cabinetry with extended height uppers, accent lighting, glass-paneled accent doors, a large pantry, and a wine rack. The center island has seating and contemporary pendant lighting. The backsplashes are finished with upgraded tiles, some which are laid on the diagonal. Stainless steel appliances include a built-in gas cooktop, a wall oven and microwave, a 2-drawer French door fridge, and a dishwasher. And completing the kitchen are stone counters, a prep and a double basin sink, as well as a large arched window overlooking the backyard. The kitchen also having direct entertaining convenience to the formal dining room. The sliding door walkout from the breakfast area has California shutters and opens to a backyard that is an absolute summertime paradise. Fully fenced, landscape gardens surround a huge stone interlocking patio and the in-ground saltwater pool, while seasonal shade trees provide privacy. There is also a quaint shed for storage, and the lawn space beyond the pool area offers a beautiful vantage point from which to enjoy picturesque views of the golf course. Off the reception area is a side hall where you find a den that is also ideal as a private home office, access to the double car garage, A mudroom with a side entry door, a hardwood staircase has secondary access to the lower level, and a coat closet. A powder room featuring glass-tiled walls with stone edging, and a vanity with a stone counter and glass vessel basin. As well as a broom closet and a double coat closet with mirrored doors. To both the upper and lower levels are curved hardwood staircases accented with white risers and wrought iron pickets. The upper level showcasing 5 spacious bedrooms with private or semi-private ensuite washrooms, hardwood flooring throughout much of its space, California shutters on all the windows, decorative crown moldings and pot lighting in the hallway, and just above the upper landing, John Boddy's iconic octagonal-shaped skylight. A laundry area with washer and dryer is tucked behind double doors off the hallway, which has an interior balcony above the foyer, where the grandeur of the foyer and its chandelier can be appreciated. The 4th and 5th bedrooms are quite large and have ample space for sitting or study areas. The 4th bedroom also featuring a Palladian-style window and a vaulted ceiling, ample closet storage, and an ensuite washroom with upgraded tiled finishes and mosaic accent borders, a floating vanity with a countertop basin, pot lighting, and a glass shower with a spa system, shower seat, and wall niche. The common use washroom has a wall-to-wall vanity with drop-in basins, as well as a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. This washroom, a semi-private ensuite for the 5th bedroom, which has the coziness of broadloom and a double closet. The 3rd bedroom has an ensuite washroom designed with accessibility in mind, and features a wall-mounted vanity, an acrylic shower area, and multiple grab bars. The 2nd bedroom, which is very generous in size, can easily accommodate 2 sitting areas, and has an ensuite washroom with tiled finishes, a jetted tub, a contemporary vanity with a stone counter, and an oversized shower area with glass door. Views of the golf course can be seen through its oversized window, and this bedroom also features pot lighting, crown moldings, and a walk-in closet. The master suite is quite exceptional. Windows along its northwesterly wall overlook the golf course, the bay window an ideal spot for a lovely sitting area. With this beautiful private space also featuring 3 walk-in closets, as well as crown moldings here and in its ensuite washroom. Recently renovated, the ensuite showcases stone tiles finishing the bathroom floor and walls, a vanity with stone counter, undermount basins, and a matching toiletry cabinet, a ceramic tiled glass shower with a spa system, pot lighting, as well as a freestanding tub. fully finished and with an impressively sized layout that is mostly finished with ceramic flooring, the lower level is not only an entertainer's dream, but also has a separate living area with potential use as an in-law, nanny, or long-term guest suite. Off the lower landing are two sets of French doors, the one on the right opening to the main recreation area, the set on the left leading into the suite. Its kitchen showcases white cabinetry with extensive storage, stone counters and mosaic glass-tiled backsplashes, as well as an undermount sink, range with dual ovens, microwave, and a French door fridge. Through another French door entry is a good-sized recreation area, off of which is a bonus room with a mirrored door closet. Both of these spaces featuring laminate flooring and California shutters on their windows. The side landing off the kitchen can accommodate a cozy dining area and is where to access the secondary staircase from the main level, with the suite also showcasing a 4-piece washroom with track lighting, a vanity with countertop basin, as well as tiled walls accented with a mosaic border. The lower level's main recreational space can be directly accessed from the suite as well, with this exceptionally sized space having storage areas, hot lighting, as well as a 3-piece powder room with track lighting and a wall-to-wall vanity with elegant drop-in basins. The recreation area also features chair rail, basement windows with California shutters, a gas fireplace with a tiled accent facade and custom mantel, as well as ample space for games, conversation, and media areas. And when entertaining on a grand scale, there are 2 separate wood wet bars, both having stone counters and mirrored walls with glass shelves, one bar equipped with a wine rack, the other having a mosaic tiled backsplash. Backing onto Riverside Golf Course and nestled on one of the most prestigious streets within the neighborhood, this home is a short walk to Eagle Ridge Public and Pickering High Schools, places of worship, the restaurants and entertainment of historic Pickering Village, as well as the nature trails of the Duffins Creek Conservation Area. While the Durham Center and Pickering Town Center malls, the Ajax GO Station, and access to highways 401 and the 407 are all just short drives away.